Crocheted Lace Course Tutorial 40. This time I will be showing you how to make this beautiful twig or branch with bells. Later I will use this cord to create a larger piece of work. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Treble crochet through the first chain stitch of our foundation chain. Yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. Turn the work counterclockwise. Chain 1 to replace a single crochet and make a 3 chain picot. For picot, chain 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch through the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Now work into the chain space. Single crochet and work a picot. Chain 3 for picot and make a slip stitch in 2 loops of single. Then half double crochet into the chain space and work a picot, chain 3 and a slip stitch in 3 loops of half double. Continue into the same chain space, make 7 double crochet stitches and on top of each double make a 3 chain picot. First double with picot is ready. Second double and a 3 chain picot ready. Third double, chain 3 and a slip stitch in 2 loops of double. Four. Now 5. 6 and the last double into the same chain space and make a 3 chain picot, chain 3 and a slip stitch in 2 loops of double. Now to complete the bell, fold the work to the left, fold the work and make a slip stitch and 2 loops of treble crochet stitch. Insert the hook in 2 loops and make a slip stitch through. It's not easy, but I did it. Now continue chain 1 and treble crochet through the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. You can see that our first bell is ready. It has picots all around its top part. Now let's continue and make the second bell. Turn the work to the back, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Treble crochet through the treble on previous row. Now turn the work chain 1 to replace a single crochet and make a 3 chain picot on top. Into the chain space work single crochet and a picot, chain 3 and a slip stitch in 2 loops of single. Then work a half double crochet and a picot, chain 3 and a slip stitch and 3 loops of half double. Then continue, make 7 double crochet stitches into the same chain space and on top of each double work a 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last double into the same chain space and make a 3 chain picot, chain 3 and a slip stitch and 2 loops of double. Now to complete the bell we need to fold the work to the right. Insert the hook in 2 loops of treble stitch and make a slip stitch through. Here you need to pay attention and fold the bells always on the front side. Here you can see we've completed the second bell. Turn the work to the back and continue chain 1 and treble crochet into the chain space of 1. Yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. Again, turn the work to the front and continue making the bells the same way. Make your twig as long as you want. On each bell we have picots that make them pretty. This is the front of our cord. We folded bells on it. No bells on the back. Here I made the same cord of shiny mercerized cotton thread. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy more free tutorials.